Let us discuss about the generations of computer. So first generation started in the year 1942 1956. In first generation, vacuum tubes are used and circuitry magnetic drums are used for memory. The input and output devices are punch cards and paper tapes and printout. So these are the input and output devices of first generation computers. Software, the input given as machine languages like zeros and ones. The computing time is milliseconds. These computers were manufactured with the vacuum tubes. These tubes were used in the arithmetic and logical operations. So the disadvantages of first generation computers are they were too big in size, very small, low level of accuracy and reliability. They consume a lot of electricity generation, a lot of heat and break down frequently. So we go for second generation computers. So in second generation computer, transistor replaces the vacuum tubes. Transistor allows a computer as smaller, faster, cheaper, and reliable. Magnetic core for primary memory is used, and tapes are used for secondary memory. Here, the input and output devices are same as first generation computers like punch cards, paper tapes, printout. The software in the instructions were written in assembly languages. The time consumption is microseconds. So in second generation computer, to perform all computational and logical works are performed. The advantages of this generation computers are they require very small space, very fast, reliable, and dependable. They used less power, less heat, and large storage capacity. So the disadvantages of this generation computers are they did not they did not have any operating system and used assembly languages. So we go for third generation computers. So third generation computers started in the year 1964 to 1971. So here ICE is integrated circuits are used in this generation. Hardware technology, the third generation computers used the integrated circuit chips. Software technology, the keyboard and the monitor were interfaced through the operating system. Here thousands of transistors and other electronic components on a single crystals. Operating system allowed different applications to run at the same time. High-level languages were used extensively for programming instead of machine languages and assembly languages. Computation characteristics. The computation time was in nanoseconds. So the physical appearance of this generation computers are very small compared to the second generation and first generation computers. So computers were produced commercially and were smaller, cheaper, and then producers. So the disadvantage of this generation computers they lack thinking power and decision making capability. So we go for the fourth generation computers. So started in the year 1971 to present. Here microprocessor as a component of fourth generation computer. They are less powerful and had less speed the mainframe computer. So here the less storage fourth generation computers and less storage capacity. Hardware technologies of this generation computers are thousands of transistors are integrated on a small silicon chip using LSA technology. VLSA allows hundreds of thousands of components to be integrated in a small chip. And the software technology of this generation computers like MS-DOS and MS Windows developed during this time. Here it supports GUI graphic user interface. High-level programming languages are used for writing the programs. So the computing speed of this fourth generation computer is picoseconds, and it's mainly used for commercial purpose. So the disadvantage of this generation is less storage capacity. So we go for fifth generation computers. So in fifth generation computers present and future using artificial intelligence. The first fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence, that is AI. They try to simulate the human way of thinking and reasoning. Artificial intelligence include areas like expert system ES, natural language processing NLP, speech recognition, voice recognition, robotics. They are faster, very cheap, and have the highest possible storage capacity. They have thinking power and decision making capability. These computers have large memory requirements. This generation of computer uses parallel processing that allows several instructions to be executed in parallel instead of serial execution. Here, super large scale integrated chips SLSI that are able to store millions of components on a single chip. So these are the generations of computers. Then classifications of computer. Computers are classified as microcomputer, mini computer, personal, supercomputer. These are the classifications of computers. Thank you.